Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're back on Rush for more reviews. So we're at another new development. As usual, I always highlighting the new developments that's happening in Jamaica. You know, showcasing the beauty of Jamaica and the beauty of some of the current developments that's happening. So this is another new one. It's close to the Molynes area, close to the Red Hills Road area as well. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. So if that subscribe button is red, just turn it gray. Turn on your post notification bell as well. So once I do a new upload, you'll be notified. And remember to like the video, share the video, and leave a comment as well. Alright guys, and if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well. We know that the big goal is to get a drone for the channel so we can get some aerial videos, you know, to step it up a notch. And remember to share the videos as well. We're trying to reach to 6,000 subscribers before September 1st. So each person's help is needed. And again, if you or anyone have a property that you want to get featured on the channel, a new development, a new construction, you can always buzz me in the comment section or the email which is in the description. It's rushramorereviews@gmail.com, and we can collaborate to do that feature of a new property or a new development that you have. I was just told by a neighbor that this should be an apartment complex, so this is based on the information so far. This is another apartment development. What I'm going to eventually do is to drive out to Red Hills Road, drive out to the main so you guys know exactly where I'm at. Alright, so Red Hills Road is out to that section. So when I'm finished, I'll drive out to the main and probably drive into Halfway Tree, just showing you guys around the place as well. So again, another new development. This is video number 1, the first time I'm featuring this property. If anyone has any more details, any more information, please let me know in the comment section. Alright, so this is another property without any name, without any billboard. I'm not seeing any signs, any developer name, any financing bank, any designing company, so it's hard to tell what's over there. But again, if you guys have any info, you guys always let me know in the comments, so I appreciate that as well. So new development, new apartment complex inside the Molynes area, close to Red Hills Road as well. And as I promised, I'll show you guys around the area in just a bit. So remember to like, guys, remember to leave your comment, remember to share the videos as well, because we're trying to grow the family. And thanks for all the support, whether financial or otherwise. I appreciate all the support, guys. And again, once you guys have some links, have some connection with these property, and I can get an inside tour, just reach out to me, guys. And if you have a property or new development that you want to get featured on the channel, reach out to me as well. Alright guys, so as promised, I'm just gonna drive around the area just for a little bit to show you guys where we are, so you guys can see. So that's the property directly in front of us that we were looking on. It's deemed to be an apartment complex, another one. So I'm gonna drive past it, turn, and then pass it again and go on Red Hills Road. So this is basically the Molynes area as well. That building in front of us is the Spanish Dream Hotel. Not very popular. It's a smaller size hotel. Matter of fact, let me drive in it and then come out to show you guys. Gonna go inside and then turn. Hopefully I don't get busted. So a smaller size hotel, a bit private. Any of you guys have ever been here, let me know in the comment section as usual. Spanish Dream Hotel in the Molynes area. Alright, and straight in front of us again is the new apartment development. So we'll now head on to Red Hills Road. So basically this is where the residentialness of this area finishes, because after this corner it's mostly industrial companies. The lot sizes are very big, so from different garages until we reach out to Dunn's Electrical. So they have converted some of these houses into business places. For example, Glossy Tiles and Stones is on the right. We just passed our garage. We have daycares. So a lot of very older type building that has been converted to some form of business. And then right here, they're doing an addition to the Dunn's Electrical complex. And directly in front of us is the trade center. That's a little, you could call it a plaza. And then we're on to Red Hills Road, heading to Half a Tree direction. And then Dunn's Electrical is on the right. They have made a lot of improvement over the years and a lot of expansion. So that's it guys, another new development, another new apartment complex in Kingston. Just wanted to highlight it for you guys and show you guys around the community as well. Now we're heading into the Half a Tree area. Remember to definitely like the video guys, leave a comment and share as well, so we can grow the family. Rush for more reviews. Thanks for watching thus far, and we'll definitely see you on another new development. So stay tuned and ensure you have your post notification bell turned on so you're alerted once I upload a new video.